Kazan Aviation Plant, named after S.P. Gorbunov, also known as KAZ, is preparing for one of the largest expansions in its modern history. According to Industry and Trade Minister Anton Alikhanov, the plant plans to significantly increase production of the Tu-214 passenger aircraft, moving from limited annual output to full-scale serial manufacturing by the year 2028. The production roadmap calls for 8 aircraft in the year 2026, 12 aircraft in the year 2027, and a stable rate of 20 aircraft per year starting in the year 2028. This announcement reflects a major shift in Russia's civil aviation policy. For many years, KAZ produced only a small number of Tu-214 aircraft annually, mainly for specialized or government use. The new plan represents a comprehensive restructuring of the plant's production systems, infrastructure, and technological base, aligned with the state's broader objective of restoring large-scale domestic aircraft manufacturing. The Tu-214 is a medium-range, narrow-body passenger aircraft developed within the Tupolev design family. It is capable of carrying approximately 210 passengers and was originally designed to compete with Western aircraft in the same category. However, economic constraints, limited airline demand, and competition from imported aircraft kept production volumes low for many years. This situation has changed substantially in recent times. Geopolitical developments and sanctions have restricted Russia's access to foreign-built commercial aircraft and spare parts. As a result, domestically produced airliners like the Tu-214 have gained renewed strategic importance. The aircraft is now viewed not as an outdated design, but as a critical platform for rebuilding Russia's civil aviation capabilities using fully domestic technologies. A key milestone in the Tu-214 program was the certification of a deeply modernized version of the aircraft. This approval allows serial production to proceed in its updated configuration. Certification testing covered the replacement of imported systems with Russian-manufactured components. The upgraded Tu-214 is equipped with a fully domestic avionics suite, including navigation systems, safety equipment, and onboard electronics that were previously sourced from abroad. Certification confirms compliance with national aviation safety standards in this import-substituted form, removing one of the final barriers to large-scale production. Minister Alikhanov emphasized that this achievement goes beyond a single aircraft model. The technologies developed for the Tu-214 are expected to be used in other Russian civil aviation projects, strengthening long-term technological independence. Historically, KAZ produced roughly 1 Tu-214 aircraft per year. This was due to the structure of production processes, outdated infrastructure, and fragmented supply chains. According to Alikhanov, this model is now being completely revised. To support higher output, the plant has undergone extensive modernization. New assembly halls, logistics centers, processing workshops, and a dedicated machining facility have been built or upgraded. These changes are designed to streamline production, reduce bottlenecks, and allow multiple aircraft to be assembled at the same time. The introduction of modern Russian-made machine tools is a central element of this transformation. Advanced machining equipment improves precision, reduces production time, and increases overall efficiency. Together with the renewal of factory buildings and fixed assets, these upgrades are expected to significantly raise the plant's performance. Expanding aircraft production also requires a skilled and stable workforce. KAZ is actively training new engineers, technicians, and assembly specialists to support the enlarged production lines. According to the Ministry of Industry and Trade, workforce development is progressing in parallel with factory upgrades. The aim is to ensure that by the time production peaks in the year 2028, staffing levels and expertise are sufficient to sustain output without compromising quality or safety. Alikhanov noted that the increase in production volumes is being carried out gradually to avoid disruptions. The step-by-step rise from 8 aircraft to 12 and then to 20 per year allows the plant to adapt while maintaining strict quality standards. The Russian government has formally committed to full serial production of the Tu-214 by the year 2028. This commitment highlights the aircraft's role in the national aviation strategy. KAZ operates within the United Aircraft Corporation under the state corporation Rostec, benefiting from centralized management and government backing. This structure supports long-term planning, stable investment, and coordination between industrial capacity and state policy. Alikhanov stated clearly that Russia will build 22 Tu-214 aircraft per year. According to him, the essential groundwork for this production level is largely complete, with assembly, logistics, and manufacturing facilities nearing full readiness. While production capacity is increasing, aircraft deliveries will depend on airline readiness and operational planning. In recent years, delivery schedules have been adjusted due to industrial limits, labor shortages, and the complexity of transitioning to fully domestic systems. Current forecasts suggest that deliveries to airlines will grow significantly once production stabilizes in the years 2027 and 2028. This approach prioritizes reliability over rapid deployment. Despite delays, interest in domestically produced aircraft remains strong within Russia. Airlines face limited alternatives because of sanctions and are increasingly turning to Russian manufacturers to renew and maintain their fleets over the long term. The Tu-214 program forms part of Russia's broader industrial response to sanctions. Restrictions on aircraft imports, components, and maintenance services have forced a reassessment of long-standing dependence on Western suppliers. Although the Soviet Union once had a robust civil aviation industry, much of that capability declined after its dissolution. Current efforts represent not only a revival, but a rebuilding of industrial capacity that had long been taken for granted. The resurgence of the Tu-214 illustrates both the opportunities and challenges of this process. The aircraft is certified, technologically mature, and well understood, yet scaling production requires sustained investment, skilled labor, and strict industrial discipline. If KAZ succeeds in reaching an output of 20 Tu-214 aircraft per year by the year 2028, it will mark a major milestone for Russian civil aviation. For the first time in decades, a domestically built passenger aircraft will be produced in numbers sufficient to support meaningful fleet renewal. The program also serves as a test case for broader aviation ambitions. Experience gained from upgrading the Tu-214 production line is likely to influence future aircraft programs across the industry. Such an achievement would further strengthen Kazan's position as a leading aircraft manufacturing center, preserving existing expertise and supporting long-term industrial growth. The planned expansion of Tu-214 production at the Kazan Aviation Plant represents far more than an increase in output. It reflects a strategic decision to revive domestic civil aircraft manufacturing, modernize industrial infrastructure, and secure technological independence in a complex global environment. With certified domestic systems, upgraded facilities, trained personnel, and firm government support, the Tu-214 is set to transition from limited output to full serial production. While meeting the ambitious targets for the year 2028 will depend on effective execution, the overall direction is clear. Russia is committed to restoring its civil aviation sector through the design, production, and support of aircraft built to its own requirements. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the memberships to encourage us.